So let's start with the chapter, students. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So what happened? There was a magician whose name was Shetty. He was going back to his home. When suddenly what happened? What happened suddenly? It started raining. So what did the Shetty did? Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Now we'll go to the next paragraph. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. What happened then? Then after some time the rain stopped and Shetty was thanking God and he was happy that he was not wet. Thank you, God. You have been kind to me. Why Shetty was thankful? Shetty was thankful to the little fir tree. That thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes. I will grant them, said the magician. So he was happy with the fir tree. Then he asked the little fir tree that I am going to grant you a reward. In reward, he told the little fir tree that you can ask any 4 wishes to me. So he was just asking the fir tree to give reward as for 4 wishes. Now we'll go to the next paragraph. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their rest on it. So why the fir tree was unhappy? Because the fir tree had leaves like needles. Needles means the pointed needles you have seen, na students. So here his leaf was like needles and no birds ever made their rest on it. So he was having a needle like leaves. So the birds do not make nest on it. So it said, I wish I had a green leaf like my other friend. So he was just wishing. He was telling Shetty the magician that I want a green leaf because my other friend also have green leaf. So what happened next morning? The next morning his wish was granted. His wish was granted. The first wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaf. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had a gold leaf as goat do not eat gold leaves. So what happened next morning? His wish was granted. The first wish was granted. So after her wish was granted, the goat came there and ate all the green leaves. So then what the fir tree said? Oh dear, said the fir tree. I will. Then he was wishing about the second reward. So he was wishing to have a gold leaf. Why he was wishing for a gold leaf? Because goat will not eat the gold leaves. So now we'll go to the next paragraph. What happened next with the little fir tree? When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, he was surprised to see gold leaf. Then the second wish was granted by the magician. Then what happened? His leaf was transformed into the gold leaf. It was surprised to see gold leaf. How happy I am, it said. So he was so happy that by telling that I am having a gold leaf. I am not having a green leaf. No, goat will not eat gold leaves. Goat always eat green leaf, as you know, students. Then what happened next? A man came there along and stole the gold leaf. Then what happened? Again the fir tree was really upset because a man came there and stole means here took all the gold leaves from the fir tree. The man stole all the gold leaves from him. So now again he was unhappy. Then in the next paragraph, I wish I had a glass leaf instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. Then again he was thinking that instead of having gold leaf, I can have a glass leaf. So again he was wishing for the third wish. So he was wishing about the glass leaf, and he was going on thinking that men cannot steal the glass leaf. So now we'll see what happens the next day. The next day, its glass leaf shone in the bright sun. So what happened again? His wish was granted, and again his leaf got changed into the glass leaves. How happy I am, it said. So what happened? She was happy again. Then what happened next here? At night the wind blew, woo, all the glass leaves broke. So what happened then? Then at night what happened, students? The fir tree was happy, totally happy, and was ready to sleep. So what happened here? The wind blew, wind was blowing, it was blowing and blowing. So what happened? The glass leaf broke. All the glass leaves has been broken. Now again, what happened? The fir tree was unhappy again. Now we go to the next line. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaf best. So at last, what he had decided, students, he has decided that instead of having gold leaf, glass leaf, and green leaf, it is better to have needle-like leaves as well. So what he was wishing again in the fourth wish, he was wishing that it is better to have needle-like leaves as he was having before. For goat do not eat them. As you know, needle-like leaves are not eaten by goat, not stolen by men, and when the wind blows, the wind will do them no harm. So whenever wind blows, it doesn't harm the needle-like leaves. So students, we go to the next line. The tree went to sleep. Then what happened at the last? The tree went to sleep. When it woke up, the next morning it had all his needles back again. So what happened? The next morning he woke up and he wished for the fourth wish. So he was again having the needle-like leaf, and he was so happy to have them. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. So he was going on telling that today I am really happy, and I am happy with my needle-like leaves. So at last the fir tree was happy with the needle-like leaves. So students, here what you have understood, whatever we are having in the present, be happy with that things. Okay students, whatever we are having in present, so we have to be happy with that all things. Don't imagine or don't accept or don't सभी स्टूडेंट्स को ये बताना चाहूँगी कि अभी जो हमारे पास है उन चीज़ों से हमें खुश रहना चाहिए. आगे हमें और भी चीज़ें आगे मिलेंगी, हम उन चीज़ों को पाएंगे और सक्सेसफुल होके हम और भी चीज़ों को पा सकेंगे. So this is about this chapter, the little fir tree. Students, now we will go to the book exercise. We will go to the take the correct answer. Tell me students, the pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaf. Tell me. You know that he was not at all happy with gold tree because gold tree was stolen by the men. So we have to take care of men stole them. The fir tree was sad. Tell me why he was sad? Because it had needle-like leaves. Because at first we have read that he was unhappy with the needle-like leaves. Now we go to the last one, the C part. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. As you know, he was not at all happy with the gold leaf because it was stolen by the man. Now we go to the word meaning. Pretty, pleasing to the eyes. As you know, somebody is pretty, we always see them again and again. So that is known as pretty. Needle, a small thin object used for sewing. Leaves, plural form of leaf. Gold, a yellow precious metal. Like gold, everyone wear a gold jewelries, ornaments, as you know. Stole means you are stealing something. You are stealing, you are stealing something from some person. So that is known as stole. Past of speed. So students, we have completed with our word meaning, with our we have completed with our exercise also. So students, go through the video thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you, students.